Good morning, children. I hope and trust that you all are doing well in study. So, today we will discuss one more topic from 7th chapter, that is calculation of BMI and calculation of waist hip ratio. So, first we will talk about calculation of body mass index, or we can say BMI. Children, it is also known as Quetelet because it was invented by Adolphe Quetelet. Okay. And this help a person to know whether he has a healthy weight or he has to lose his weight, or I can say he has to gain his weight. Okay. So it is a very easy method to measure and evaluate healthy weight. But children, it is observed that it does not measure the actual body fat, but it is a very useful tool to estimate a healthy body weight. Or in simple word, I can say that through BMI, a person comes to know that he comes in underweight, or he comes in normal weight, or he is having overweight. Okay. As you can see here, to calculate BMI, there is a formula, that is body weight divided by height in meter square. Children, we will take an example. So, if a person weight is 70 kg and his height is 1.60 meter, then we can calculate BMI by using this formula. We have to divide the weight by height in meter square. Okay, so the calculation is 70 divided by 1.60 into 1.60. Then we get proper BMI, that is 27.34 kg in meter square. Now I will tell you how that person will get to know that he comes in underweight or normal weight, or I can say overweight. Okay. According to World Health Organization criteria, we all can know that we comes under which weight category. If BMI comes under 18.5, then that person is in underweight. And if BMI is 18.5 to 24.9, means that person comes in normal weight. Okay. And if BMI is 25.0 to 29.9, it means that person comes in overweight category. And above 30 BMI is considered obesity. Okay. So you can see this chart and you have to learn also. Okay. Now I will tell you some precautions which must be taken while taking measurement of height and body weight for calculating BMI. So the first one is weighing machine must be reliable. And while taking body weight, person must wear minimum required clothes. And the another one is body should be straight position while measuring height. Okay. Now we will discuss calculation of waist hip ratio. Children, WHR looks at the proportion of fat stored on your body, around your waist and around your hip. It is a simple and useful measure of fat distribution. And the waist hip ratio is calculated by dividing our waist measurement by our hip measurement. And to measuring WHR, we use a tape to measure the circumference of our hip, and then after that circumference of our waist region, which is just above the belly. And then only we use this formula. Okay. Children, in 5th chapter, we already discussed about two shape of the body, that is apple shape and pear shape. And if we compare both body shape, then apple shape is more riskier for our health as compared to the pear shape one. Right? Because we know that in apple shape body carrying extra weight around stomach and ways that have a greater risk of lifestyle related to diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Right? And children, we have to keep one thing in our mind. In case of male, if the waist and hip ratio is more than 1, it means that person is at the health risk. And in case of female, if the waist hip ratio is more than 0.85, then she is at the health risk. Okay. Thank you everyone. I hope BMI and waist hip ratio is clear to everyone. And still, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.